Question number 90. It's another vocabulary question and we have to fill the two blanks. Now here the first clue comes with the preposition on. So in the first blank we will need a word that goes with the preposition on and it makes a phrasal verb. Now if you look at the options, stumble, fall and slip, all the three they will go with the word on. But come on is not the right expression here. Reason is there are excavators who are pleasantly surprised to detect or find a lead coin having punch marks of an elephant. Hence, the word come on is not exactly correct. The correct expression could have been come across. Now, fall and slip, they have negative connotations. But here we're talking about a positive thing, pleasantly surprised. So it talks about, the excavators feeling positive. Hence, negative words will not fill in the first blank. So the right expression would be stumble. So they were pleasantly surprised because they stumbled on, and hence the word surprise is also defined. The second thing here is the second blank. Now you could have started with the first blank or you can start with the second blank, because if you start with the first blank then obviously the answer is A, but we'll check the second blank too. It talks about the punch marks of an elephant on the one side and a bow on the reverse side. So we will need a word which will be the opposite in meaning to the word reverse. Look at the word obverse. Obverse basically means the side of the coin or flag or medal which carries the principal design, which bears the principal design. That's how the dictionary defines it. So this also fits the second blank. Front, reverse makes sense, but rear and reverse, they really do not make sense because they're not necessarily the antonyms, and alternative side also doesn't fit the blank. Hence if we look at both the blanks, option A is the answer.